Want to know how to build a proposal in under 10 minutes? You're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it and how you can take advantage of a tool that makes it all easy. Trust me, it's faster than you think. Stick around, and I'll give you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using to build that proposal quickly. So the first thing to understand when you're building a proposal fast is that the process should be simple and streamlined. You don't need to overthink it or get caught up in perfectionism. A great proposal doesn't need to be an epic document, it just needs to cover the basics and show how you'll meet your client's needs. Step 1. Start with a template. Don't waste time starting from scratch. Templates give you a structure that speeds up the whole process. You can find templates within the software we'll be using in this video, and they're easy to customize to your specific project or offer. By using a template, you can focus on personalizing the content instead of building everything from the ground up. Step 2. Define the scope of work. This is where you outline what you're going to do for your client. Keep it short and to the point. List the key tasks and deliverables. Be clear and specific, and make sure the client understands exactly what you'll be providing. This step doesn't have to be long-winded. A few sentences or bullet points will do. Step 3. Set the timeline. Now that you know what you're doing, you need to set expectations around when it'll get done. Include clear milestones and deadlines. This gives the client confidence that you're on top of the project. You don't need to give exact dates right away, but general timeframes work just fine for most proposals. Step 4. Pricing and payment terms. This is the part where most people get stuck, but it doesn't need to be complicated. Be transparent about your pricing. Whether you're charging hourly, per project, or in installments, make sure the client knows exactly what to expect. You can always adjust this based on the type of work, but being upfront is key. Step 5. Add a call to action. Don't forget to tell the client what you want them to do next. Should they sign the proposal? Should they get in touch with you for a final discussion? Whatever it is, make sure it's clear and easy for them to take the next step. This can be as simple as a sign here or let's schedule a meeting. That's it. In just these 5 steps, you can create a proposal in under 10 minutes. Of course, having the right tools will speed up the process even more. I recommend using the software we've used here today. It's designed to make proposals fast and easy. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it before it's gone. Now, the key takeaway from this video is that building a proposal in under 10 minutes is all about efficiency. Use a template, define the work clearly, set expectations with timelines, be transparent with pricing, and give your client a simple next step. That's all it takes to create something quick but professional. Quick recap. Choose a template, define the scope, set timelines, get clear on pricing, and include a call to action. Follow those 5 steps and you'll build a proposal in no time. Remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and start building proposals fast today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.